Hello everyone. In this video we're going to show you how to change your panel divider in your Builderall website. So on the Builderall homepage, we're going to Choose Website Builder, click the Enter button. Alright, we're going to continue on our animal rescue website, click Edit Site. I'm going to edit the homepage again. Now the panel divider is the look and shape of the bottom or top of the panel, depending on which panel you choose. So this is a panel. So right here we click, this is a panel. You can see it shows up over here, our settings panel. And this is also a panel. So this shows up as a panel as well. And we're going to change our top banner panel, our divider shape. So for the bottom. So we click the panel, click Edit Element. And on the side, we'll scroll down where it says Panel Divider. Click Active. And you can see there's an animated one right here. So you can choose to have this one. You can also choose the first, second, third, and if there's a fourth color. You just click this and change it to a red. That doesn't look too appealing. And change this to a gray color. This one a white. And this one a white as well. You can also change the transparency over here. So right now it's full opacity. You can change that and make it a little see-through. All right. So right now I don't want an animated one. So I'm gonna go over to the top, and I like to choose. Let's see. Let's choose a big arrow. Go ahead and pull this down. See our button. Okay. And let's go ahead and customize this a little bit. We can change it like this, so it's at an angle. And the second shape we can change as well. All right. Let's go ahead and pull this down a little bit, so our button shows. And what I want to do is I want to change the colors. So this one only has 3 colors. So the first color I want to change to white. Okay. Secondary color, how about a blue color for that? So I'll go down here. And there we go. Let's go ahead and brighten that up a little bit. Go ahead and make this opacity all the way. That way it kind of matches your button. That's a little light, so let's go here. Okay, I like that. And let's go ahead and click this. And the third color is also, we're going to keep that white as well, so it matches this panel right here. And as you can see, our panel doesn't really match. This panel is kind of gray, and this one, of course, we want white. So in order for it to look like one shape, I'm going to click this panel, click Edit. Okay, we're going to click Background Settings, go to Color. I'm going to change that to a white. All right, now you can see, we click this, it's all the same white color. And we go ahead and preview that. There we go. We have a kind of strange shape, but it is different. I'm going to go back to Editor. I'm going to click the panel divider, and we can keep changing these as we like. There's curves. Let's see, there's arrow and reverse. So we can do a reverse arrow. Pixels. Let's see. There's breakers. And you can play around with these. You can also play around with the transparency of them. And so what you want to do is just want to choose one that's right for you. However, I like to, as usual, I like the big arrow. And there you go. It adds a little bit of extra style to your website. I'm going to click Save. That's fine. Close. And there you go. This is how you change and customize your panel divider in your Builderall website. If you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll have a link down in the description down below. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.